Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the 89 Garage. Today we're outside working on the Toyota. This episode is going to be working on the Yaris, and we are going to be putting the new lift supports on it because I'm tired of hitting my head on it. I got a couple bumps on the back of my head. Some of them are from that. So we're going to replace those today. It's really a simple process, very minimal tools needed for this. Before we get going, I would like to ask you guys to hit subscribe. Oh, you hit subscribe already. Okay, great. Now we can get going. See that? Sometimes I can get it to stay up kind of halfway if I push on it real hard. And I'm going to go ahead and thank you guys. This was actually bought with Amazon affiliates money. They provide me with some money to buy more Amazon products through the links that you guys click and purchase the parts from. So if you're going to do this, I would ask that you use my link below. I'll put a couple different options, and I'll also tell you which ones these are. These were about 20 bucks, 10 bucks a side. Before we get going, I want to make sure these are the right ones, and yeah, we're good. I just want to show you, you'll see here in a second that there's a little ball end right here. This stud's got a ball end on it. And this end, that clip right there goes right over the top of that ball. So that's the only thing holding this thing on in both spots. The way that we're going to remove these is we're going to get flathead screwdriver. Looks like that's probably best on this one. And yeah, probably that one too. If you don't have someone to help you, like I don't right now, it's a good idea to go ahead and put a clamp right here, vice grips, something like that to hold that up while you're working on the other side. Because I can tell you right now that that is not going to hang in there when I take the other side off. It's going to fall. So I'm going to grab me some vice grips and a flathead and meet you back out there. All right. That'll hold. All right, now we're going to come over here. So I'm going to get this screwdriver in like this, kind of pry this out a little bit, and then give it a little pull. Go down here. Leave this on here, like that. Get your new one. This just pushes straight on, like that, as does this side. That we're done. We'll remove that. We're going to slap this one over here now, just to help us out. All right. Oops. That's what happens when you do this stuff one-handed. Same thing here. Okay, get the brandy new one in here. Straight on. Bam, 5 minutes, we're done. That's what we want it to do. I'll put a link above that has my Yaris playlist on it. I got several videos disabling the daytime running lights, changing the trans fluid, changing the oil, a couple other things along the way, changing the bulbs in the dash, come back around, because as I do more on it, I will make more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.